Passion, fun learning, a new way to learn. Animals and their homes. Hen, murgi, coop, dadba. Hen lives in a coop. Pig, suvar, sty, gindastan. Pig lives in a sty. Bird, pakshi, nest, ghonsla. Bird lives in a nest. Squirrel, gilhari, hole, bill. Squirrel lives in a tree hole. Honeybee, madhumaki, hive, chatta. Bee lives in beehive. Dog, kutta, kennel, kutta ghar. Dog lives in a kennel. Lion, sher, den, gufa. Lion lives in a den. Ant, chinti, anthill, chiti ghar. Ant lives in an anthill. Horse, gada, stable, astabal. Horse lives in a stable. Monkey, banthar, tree, pet. Monkey lives on the tree. Duck, batak, pond, talab. Duck lives in the pond. Spider, makdi, web, jala. Spider lives in a web. Rabbit, khargosh, burrow, mant. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Cow, gai, shed, goshala. Cow lives in a shed. Tiger, bagh, cave, gufa. Tiger lives in a cave. Thank you. Share and subscribe the video.